世界最大の旅客機ですよ。
いいよいいよ。
up it. Come on.
It takes 2 days, maybe Waikiki with 32